Cooking with the Snow Dogs, where if I can make it, so can you. Today, we're gonna make something that I've actually never made before. We're gonna make no-bake cookies. Let's see if we can do this, considering I've never done this before. And of course, as always, I have my two favorite kitchen helpers. I don't know that there's a whole lot of this that you can eat. Kira is really excited about the new microphone on this camera. She's like, can I eat that? It looks like a squirrel. Maybe. You wanna help me make some cookies? Yeah, all right, let's make some cookies. Okay, so we have gathered all of our ingredients here. You are going to need 3 cups of old-fashioned oats. You can also use quick oats, but I am choosing to use old-fashioned oats today, which means my mix will have to sit just a little bit longer. 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Yes, cocoa powder, not carob. This is actually cocoa powder. This is for people, not for dogs. So we're good here. We're good. 2/3 cup of creamy peanut butter, a tablespoon, yes, actually a tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, and then a pinch of salt. So again, these are no-bake cookies, which means we're not putting them in the oven, but it doesn't mean they're not necessarily cooked. You're gonna need about a 3-quart saucepan, and we are going to add to that pan butter, the sugar, the milk, and the cocoa powder, not carob, cocoa. And now we're gonna whisk all this together, and we're gonna cook this over a medium heat. So we're gonna whisk that together over a medium heat until the butter is melted. I heard you come prancing in here looking for snacks. I'm sorry, but we're making these for us, not for you guys. Memphis is like, I'm just here for moral support. Kira's like, I'm looking for all the snacks because I smell peanut butter. There's peanut butter. Maybe you'll get a bite of peanut butter. Maybe. We'll see. So basically, we want to whisk all of this together and continue to do that until this butter has melted into everything. So just keep on whisking until this butter is melted. So now you can see our butter is pretty much all melted. Now we're gonna bring this to a simmer. So you're just gonna wanna see it bubble a little bit, and we're gonna simmer it for about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. This smells amazing. Can we just eat this? Memphis has assumed her favorite position while waiting for everything to get mixed together. Okay, see how it's simmering just a little bit, the bubbles? We're gonna let that happen, like I said, for about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. We're not gonna stir it, and then we're gonna immediately remove it from the heat. All right, it's nice and bubbly. We're gonna take this off the heat and add in the peanut butter and the vanilla extract. When I say immediately, I mean like move it over here, try not to make a mess, and then we're gonna go ahead and dump this into here. Dun, 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 dun. Got the peanut butter in, and apparently Alexa's trying to talk to me. And now we're gonna whisk all of this stuff together. You can see the peanut butter and everything is melting really nice. Just make sure it all gets whisked together until it's all melted. Shouldn't take that long because everything was pretty warm. Now we're gonna stir in all of these oats, all 3 cups, and the pinch of salt. And we're gonna mix and mix and mix until this is all nice and coated. Now, because I'm using old-fashioned oats, once this is all mixed together, I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 to 7 minutes. I really want the oats to be able to soak in some of that moisture before I put the cookies on the cookie sheet. So while we're waiting, we're gonna put parchment paper onto 2 cookie sheets. So we let this sit for about 5 minutes, and now I'm going to use this. This is a tablespoon scooper, so it's equal to about 1 full tablespoon. I'm gonna scoop these out of here and scoop them out of there. What? Oh, would you like some peanut butter? I did tell you you might get some peanut butter. Hold on. Hold that thought. Let's get some peanut butter. All right, peanut butter for you. Yeah, good stuff. All right, Memphis's turn. Peanut butter for Memphis. Good stuff. Those tongues. Okay, can I finish my cookies now? You guys got something. Let me get back to making my cookies now. All right, can I do this with one hand? So we're gonna scoop it, scrape it along the side so you see what we got here. So you see how it's nice and full here? we're gonna come over to our parchment paper, which shifted apparently, and we're going to bloop, blop that out, and then take the back of this and kind of flatten it out a little bit. You can leave them in a ball if you want to, but I don't want to. I want them to look more like cookies. So we're just gonna keep doing that process over and over and over. Oh my gosh, I think I actually pulled this off. As I said, I have never made these before, so the true test will be when Jamie tries them and tells us what he thinks. So now, to let these set, we're gonna put them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then they'll actually be set, and then we can try them. So this is the first time I have ever made these, and I know you like no-bake cookies. They're not for you, Kira.
Maybe they are.
I made them with old-fashioned oats. Maybe I should have used instant oats. I haven't tried them yet. I wanted you to be first. You're the guinea pig.
I don't know. I guess it's been a while since I've eaten no bakes.
Was it good? Is it bad? Do you like it?
It tastes like a cookie.
Yeah?
It's starting to melt in my hair, so.
Yeah, they've only been in the fridge for about 40 minutes, so they're probably not fully set, but they're set enough for you to try them.
No problem.
I made them small. You can have more than one if you want. Kira, they are not for you. So, it was a win?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
I like that.
That's what I wanted to hear.
Now you're gonna try it.
Yep, I'll try one now too. Yes, I'm trying one too. They're pretty good. I think I did it. I think I made no-bake cookies, and I think they turned out pretty good. So if you guys end up making these, let us know down in the comments below. Also, let us know what you want to see us make next. As always, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again soon. Goodbye, guys.